Python. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum. It is designed to be easy to learn and read, with a simple and clean syntax that emphasizes readability and reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python is an open-source language, meaning that its source code is available to the public and can be freely modified and distributed. It is widely used for web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and many other applications. Python's popularity has been driven in part by the large number of libraries and tools available for it, which make it easy to quickly develop complex applications. Python is known for its high level of expressiveness and productivity, which is achieved through features such as dynamic typing, automatic memory management, and support for multiple programming paradigms such as procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. It also has a large and active community of developers and users, who contribute to its development, create new libraries, and provide support through forums and other resources. Some of the key features of Python include dynamic typing. Variables in Python are not tied to a specific data type, allowing them to hold any type of data. Automatic memory management. Python handles memory management automatically, freeing developers from the need to manually manage memory allocation and deallocation. Interpreted. Python code is executed by an interpreter rather than compiled to machine code, making it easier to test and debug. Object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented programming, allowing developers to define classes and objects with methods and properties. Extensive library support. Python has a large number of built-in libraries and modules, as well as a vast ecosystem of third-party libraries, making it easy to extend its functionality for various applications. In summary, Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that is widely used for a variety of applications. Its simple and expressive syntax, automatic memory management, and extensive library support make it a popular choice for developers of all skill levels.